All right, I'm on page 8 of FJH book number 2, and we are at a point in the book in a series where we're being introduced to chords. And these are modified chords. They're smaller chords than regular chords. For example, the G7, you see you're only using one finger to play G7. There's an F right here, string 1, fret 1. And if you're using your fingers, your P is on string 3, I is on string 2, and M is on string 1, and you're doing it like this. I and M go up into the palm, P goes down. Like the scissors kind of motion, or a waving goodbye. You could think of it like that too. If you're using a pick, you just strum from the 3rd string down. A bigger G7 chord might look like this, where you're doing all 6 strings. That comes later. Let's not worry about it. Same thing with a C chord. Here's a big C chord. Here we're learning a modified C chord, a little C chord. Same thing. P, I, and M on string 3, 2, and 1. I and M go up into the palm. P goes down. Or with a pick, just strum from the 3rd string down. And your left hand is on a C, string 2, fret 1. And you can see all this in the diagrams, but I figure I'd go through it with you again. Down at the bottom, there's a chord chart, and the little slash marks are represent each time you strum. So you strum C 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then G7 3 times. Then since there's no symbol for the next 3 slashes, you stay on G7, 1, 2, 3, then back to C. Stay on C, G7 3 times, stay on G7, and back to C, and you let that ring for 3 beats because it's a dotted half note strum. You just let it ring for 3 beats at the end. So it's called the first finger hop because your first finger is doing a lot of hopping from F to C, back and forth. All right, so that's the first finger hop with your C chord and your G7 chord. Okay, practice hard, have fun, and hit me with any questions. Thank you so much.